Good morning, third class. Now, students, we are going to first of all discuss our previous chapter, Understanding Windows. I have given you the answer key for that. So, this is your solve exercise. You can tally it with your answers what you have written. So, today we are going to start our new chapter, Working with Paint. Now, Microsoft Paint, frequently called MS Paint, is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Here are some features of Paint. Now see starting Paint using tools. So first of all, we can use Paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. With the help of this program, we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, map, etc. We can also make use of Paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Now first is click on Start button. Second is choose all program. Third is click on accessories and fourth is click on Paint program. So when you click on Paint program, the Paint window opens and the screen appears like this. So see, this is our tab, quick access toolbar, groups and ribbon. Now, how do we use tools? With the help of tools located in Shapes and Tools group, we can select any shape. Move the mouse pointer to a tool in the Shapes group and click it. Now, once the tool is chosen, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the direction where you want to draw the shape. Now using oval shape. See, these are the steps. Select the oval option from the shapes group. Set color 1 foreground as yellow and color 2 background as red as it is shown in the figure. Click on outline to modify the line style. Click on size to choose the line size thickness. Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw the given oval figure. To fill color in the figure, select color 2, then click on fill with color tool and right click on the circle. Now second is using color picker tool. Color picker tool is a very functional tool to select a color from an accessible object and filling it into any other object. Here are the steps to use it. Number 1. Draw the objects as shown in the given figure. Color the rectangle using fill with color tool. Select the color picker tool. Click inside the rectangle to copy the color. Move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. Once the drawing is made, you can make some modification in it such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Now using Select tool. The Select tool is used to choose any part of the picture that we desire to change. Number 1 is draw the monkey as shown in the figure. See, click on the rectangular selection tool. To choose the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag around an outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Now using freeform selection tool. Number 1, select the freeform selection tool. Place pointer on the drawing area. Number 2, select the object, example nose of the monkey, by the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object. And number 3 is drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure C. Now click on undo button and observe the change. Now moving an object. Number 1 is sketch the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of Select tool. A rectangle with dashed line will appear in the region of the picture as shown in the figure. See. Click on Cut option in the clipboard group on Home tab and examine that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Now using Paste option. First click on Paste option. Now the object that you have cut will resurface on the top left corner of the drawing area. Now see this. Here is the Paste option button. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. The selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now, copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing using Select tool. Select the copy command on the Home tab. Click on Paste command in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can move the picture to any location. Now drawing different shapes. Now see, these are the shapes and you can select any shape and bring it out. We can draw different shapes in Paint. First is select any shape, hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. We can change the look of the ready-made shapes as per our need. Now click on outline option and change the outline style. If outline is not required, select no outline in the outline option. Click on size option to change the line size thickness of the line. Click on color 1 to change the outline color and color 2 to fill the shapes. If you do not want to fill color in a shape, select fill option and then select no fill sub option from it. Flipping the picture. Flip means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. Now first is click on the select tool and select the picture. Click on the rotate option in the image group on the home tab. A list of options will be displayed for changing the rotation or flipping. Select the desired option and the same effect will be applied on that picture. Now choose the resize skew the picture. Now choose the drawing by covering its boundary using the select tool. Select the resize option in the image group on the home tab. Identify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to your requirements. Click on OK. Now using text tool. Click on Home tab, select the text tool, move the pointer to the drawing area and click on it. A rectangle appears with the cursor inside it. Now type the text in as it is shown in the figure. A text tool tab appears. In the color group, click on color 1 and then choose the desired color for the text. Click on B to make the text bold. Likewise, choose italic button to give italic effect, underline button to underline the text and strike through button to get a smaller line through the next text. Now, zooming the picture. Now zoom means to enlarge or shrink the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. First is draw a smiley face. Click on zoom in option. Now see, here is the zoom and in near only plus and minus size is there. Plus is zoom and minus is shrinking. Click on zoom out to reduce the size. Tab on the ribbon. Click on zoom to 100 tool and the picture will come to normal size. Creating a new drawing. To create a new drawing, click on paint button and select new option. A new paint window will appear. Now saving a drawing. It's very important to save your drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, we can open it anytime. Click on paint button, select save option from the drop down menu. The save as window appears. Type the name of the file in the file name box. Click on save button and file will be saved. Now click on close button to close the paint application. Now opening an existing drawing. If you want to work on an existing drawing that you have saved earlier, the first step will be to open that file. Click on Paint button and select Open option. Select the file name that you want to open or type the file name to the file name box. Click on Open button. Now this is the wrap up for our chapter. Now some of the questions, see I have solved this exercise for you students, and some of the answers you will find on your wrap up also. So these are the page numbers I have mentioned. So based on that I will also give you worksheet and that you will solve yourself. Good day.